This is not a joke. Take 1/4 teaspoon of this spice and you will fall asleep quickly. Insomnia is a problem that affects a large number of people around the world. It is usually a symptom of stress, depression, anxiety and anger. When you do not get enough sleep, it affects your body's ability to rejuvenate itself and is more likely to fatigue you during the day. Scientists have also revealed that insomnia could also be a consequence of biological disorders. By not keeping a specific time to sleep, you could also be at risk of experiencing insomnia. Other factors responsible for insomnia: chronic pain, low back pain, gastrointestinal problems, arthritis, nasal/sinus allergies, neurological damage, endocrine disorder. You may be at risk for insomnia when you consume foods that act as stimulants and also medications. Some examples include alcohol, nicotine. Conventional medications to help fight insomnia include sedative hypnotics or sleeping pills such as barbiturates and benzodiazepines. These medications are used in the treatment of people suffering from anxiety attacks, but one of the drawbacks is growing restlessness. Valium, Xanax and other drugs of this type will help sedate you by suppressing the activities of the central nervous system. Sleep pills like Lunesta, Rosarim, and Sonata also have several side effects. Nutmeg is your natural cure for insomnia. This spice will help you relax and finally have a deep sleep. It also solves numerous health problems like indigestion, constipation, skin irritation, joint pains and problems with circulation. To use it, all you need to do is grind your nutmeg in a fine powder. Then get some warm water in a glass and add about 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder and stir. Drink this solution about 5 hours before bedtime. A note of warning: you should consume the nutmeg in the correct prescribed dose and do not drink more than 1 glass a day.